Jericho is a city in the Palestinian territories and is located near the Jordan River in the West Bank. In 2007, it had a population of 18,000. The city was occupied by Jordan from 1949 to 1967 and has been held under Israeli occupation since 1967. Administrative control was handed over to the Palestinian Authority in 1994. I am in Triangle. There is Jericho, the oldest city in the world, first conquered by Israelites when they escaped from Egypt. This is Judean desert, which is like very beautiful and very big and good to see and explore and to rest with yourself. And there we have Dead Sea, which is the lowest point in the world and the saltiest salty water in the world. Archaeologists have unearthed the remains of more than 20 successive settlements in Jericho, the first of which dates back to 11,000 years, almost to the very beginning of Holocene epoch. Jericho is considered one of the oldest cities in the world. With 230 meters below the sea level, it's the lowest city in the world also. Jericho is mentioned in the ancient historical biblical sources. Jericho is located in the lower part of the Jordan Valley, 10 kilometers west of the Jordan River and 12 kilometers north of the Dead Sea. This is Sycamore tree. This tree is very important. It's described in the Gospel of Luke 19:1 to 10. When Jesus was going to Jerusalem, he passed next to here. Because Zacharias, the tax collector, knew that Jesus will pass here and he wanted to see him, but he couldn't because he's very short. So he came before him and he climbed in this tree so he can see him. When Jesus came to him, he told him, come out from the tree. And he asked him to eat together in his house. He said, this day is salvation come to this house. After this conversation, Jesus go to the mountain. He sleep 4 days there. After that, he go to Zacharias' house. And after conversation and after they eat together, Zacharias said to him, I will give half of my property to the poor people and to everyone who I damage, I will give 4 times more than I take from them. Sycamore tree is in the part of Russian Orthodox Church. This is Greek Orthodox Church with Sycamore tree.
في أهل فرا أو تنسي تلش كاتي ما يرتع من بوري سينا مضاصة الفرقودية يتك خير كل رمضان
This is Sycamore tree. My God, it's so beautiful. Wait. This is the picture of Jesus and...
Yes, and Zacharias.
I'm in Mount of Temptation, whereas Jesus be tempted by the devil 40 days, and where he fasted and didn't eat anything. This is the monastery built here, St. George Monastery, and this is the whole view from the mountain. It's very, very, very beautiful. Let's check what's inside. We are going there. Hello.
Εντάξει, λάμπα εντάξει.
Δεν άκουσα. Η λάμπα, κάγει η λάμπα.
Εντάξει.
Καλή, μόνο σβήνει, κάνει.
Πάει ένα.
This.
You drink water?
Yes.
Κρότα χαριτών, ice χαριτών.
Ice hariton.
Ice χαριτών beef. From Russia, χαριτών. It's a pimsalovki ikona. Можно.
Can I go down? The entrance of the cave is very small. This is the cave for the monk people who just stay here and pray for God.
Here is the church, and that is the place where Jesus was praying.
Here Jesus was praying. This is Jordan River, in the place where Jesus got baptized from the John the Baptist.
Σώσον Κύριε τον λαό σου και ευλογήσον την κληρονομία σου. Νίκα της βασιλεύση κατά βαρβάρων δολούμενο και το σωτάτων δια του σταυρού σου πολίτευμα. Των σών δωρεών αξίωση μας Θεούς ο Θεοτρό και Παρθένο. Έλα Γιώργο μου. Παρόλο που είναι λύματα ημών και παρεουσιάματα τους επίσης λαμβάνοντες. Ελάτε σιγά σιγά.
Εντάξει, όλα καλά.
Άγια Αναστενότητα σας η άσκη παρέχεται. Δωρεάν ελάβετε Μέγα νεύρα την ευθυντήρηση νέρμα χωνισμένου. Ανθρωφόρετε αηθροπούμενου. Ως ηλιαίου καθήλες στην έπαρση. Εν το σαρδίο θα σας
50 years ago, here was Dead Sea, and back over there, I get baptized in the Jordan River. You're going to see Hisham Palace.
الملك يعلق.
Hisham's palace was destroyed soon after completion in 747, and it is an important early Islamic archaeological site 5 kilometers north from the town of Jericho. Spreading over 60 hectares, it consists of the three main parts: a palace, an Orient Bath complex, and an agricultural estate. In Mosaic Tree of Life, we see in the left side peace and in the right side violence, where the lion is eating deer. It's 45 degrees and we are passing next to Judean desert. We go to the Dead Sea. Welcome to the Dead Sea, the lowest lake in the world. And here we have the lowest bar in the world, with minus 418. Welcome to the Dead Sea, the lowest sea in the world. The mag from this sea is very healthy for your skin. This is the saltiest water in the world. You can float inside. And it's #1 source for the natural salt in the world. It was 45 degrees today. It was very, very hot. The water is warm. And here for the Dead Sea we have Jordan. Over there is Jordan. When I go to Jordan, I will also go to Dead Sea and I will record video. We finish with Dead Sea and we need to go home. I love Dead Sea. The interesting thing is that Dead Sea is named because there is no animal or plants live inside. It's too salty for any species. For anything to live inside. What did you like the most about my videos? Comment me down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. This would be my video after Jericho, and this is what YouTube recommends for you to watch it. So stay tuned. See you.